Hey there, it's Del from RMC Service Centre. So here we have two D11 engines. These are new engines. These are going into a 5400. The current engines in the vessel are getting pretty old now, so the customer has decided the best option is to put two new engines in the boat. So the boat will go to Riviera, have the cockpit floor removed, some of the tender garage to allow us access to get to these engines. We will remove the old engines, bring them back to RMC's workshop here, and then we'll go about taking everything externally off of the engines. We'll sandblast any parts that need to be cleaned up, repaint them. We'll strip aftercoolers, heat exchangers, and then anything that needs to be refurbished will get stripped, acid washed, painted, and put back on these engines. So when we're finished, these will look like brand new, and then we'll endeavour to put them back in the boat. Riviera then put the floor back in, and then we'll be ready for testing.
So we're just working on this generator off Antares, the 54 Sport Yacht that we've pulled the engines out of. Just needed a bit of TLC, so obviously to get the engines out, the generator had to come out, so we pulled all the covers off, and we fixed all the rust on the bell housing, and had a few salt water leaks and did the valves. So yeah, we fixed the tray up, fixed the bell housing. We're going to change the oil filter, the fuel filter, just in general give it a nice tidy up, so it's reliable and doesn't let the owners down.
So here we are back in RMC's workshop on the 5400 repower. So we've got the old engines now back in the workshop. They've been removed from the boat along with the generator. So we're currently stripping all the old parts off of the old engines that are going to be reused, refurbished and reinstalled on the new long blocks, which we currently have here. New set of injectors going in, valve lash being done in preparation for all the parts when they're clean to go back on, ready for refit.
So we've got the coolers here off the Antares main engines. While the engines were getting swapped over, we had the cooling system apart. So we dipped the cores in acid to remove all the calcification that builds up over the years, so it gets better salt water flow. And yeah, so when we strip them apart, we'll put all new O-rings in, we'll buff all the parts up, replace the anodes, repaint them, pressure test them, and then put them back on the engines.